Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And right now I'm sitting inside a brand new 2026 Honda Passport entry level, as known as the RTL. Let's talk about the 5 things that I like about it. It's going to have a huge impact on my daily life. Let us know at the end of the video down below in the comments if you agree or disagree or what you like and don't like. Okay, let's get going. All right, so first thing I'm going to talk about is going to be the 2-seat memory, because I'm sure I'll be tricked into sharing the brand new Honda Passport with the wife. She's quite a bit shorter than I am, so we can save the position of the seat, so it makes it easy for both of us as we get in and out of the vehicle. The second thing I'm going to talk about is going to be the direct tire pressure with a fill assist. Right up there, it tells me which tire is low, which one I need, and will also alert me when that's filled to the correct tire pressure. As we come over here, the third option is going to be the Tri-Climate Zone. I love this because I like things cold. You guys probably noticed throughout my videos. My wife likes things quite a bit warmer than I am. And the kids, they get what they get and they don't throw a fit. But at least the wife is happy and I'm alive to continue these videos. Next one's going to be up here is number 4. It's going to be the nice tray action. You've probably seen this on your older Ridgelines and Pilots and stuff like that. So I'm glad that they have that dump station, because here I can have my phone and the wireless phone charger and all this other debris that I'm fighting with everyone about. They're set. They're happy. Now, the 5th thing is going to be, when you turn off the car, let's go back here and check out the cargo space. You have massive amount of cargo space. And a power liftgate, of course, that's a bonus. But look at all that cargo space. So as life happens, I can say challenge accepted, okay? So plenty of space. We're good to go. I'll see you guys on the road out there, or maybe doing your next visit here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Bye-bye.